If you love space but think you've heard it all, think again. The universe is full of surprises, and Mars moons are no exception. These two tiny celestial bodies have a story that's as fascinating as it is mysterious. Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos, are here to blow your mind. They might be small, but their history and characteristics are anything but ordinary. Let's dive into the strange story of Mars moons. These moons have intrigued scientists and astronomers for centuries, and their origins are still a topic of debate. These celestial wonders aren't your typical satellites. Unlike our moon, which formed from a giant impact, Phobos and Deimos have a different tale to tell. Both Phobos and Deimos are believed to be captured asteroids, meaning they didn't form alongside Mars. Instead, they were likely snatched from the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Their composition, similar to carbonaceous chondrites, making them more akin to asteroids than moons. This composition suggests they are ancient remnants from the early solar system. Oh, and they're dark. Phobos is literally blacker than coal. Now, picture this. The moons are potato-shaped. Their irregular shapes are a stark contrast to the spherical moons we're used to seeing. Phobos is about 22.2 kilometers in diameter, while its smaller sibling Deimos measures 12.6 kilometers. Despite their small sizes, they have a significant impact on Mars, but here's where it gets wild. Their orbits are unlike anything we see with our own moon. Phobos orbits Mars so quickly that it rises in the west and sets in the east, completing this journey twice each Martian day. This rapid orbit is due to its close proximity to Mars. Deimos, on the other hand, moves so slowly it takes 2.7 Martian days to rise and set once, and the gravity practically non-existent. This slow orbit is because Deimos is much farther from Mars compared to Phobos. An astronaut on Phobos would weigh about 1,000 times less than on Earth. A strong jump and off they go into space. This low gravity is due to the moon's small size and mass. Phobos is on a tragic trajectory, spiraling closer to Mars. This inward spiral is caused by tidal forces between Mars and Phobos. In about 50 million years, it will either crash into the planet or form a ring around it. This potential ring could resemble the rings of Saturn, albeit on a much smaller scale. And let's not forget the unique surface features. Stickney crater on Phobos, and Deimos's craters, named after writers Jonathan Swift and Voltaire, who predicted Mars's moons in literature before their discovery in 1877 by Asaph Hall. These craters provide a glimpse into the violent history of these moons. So there you have it, fear and panic in the Martian sky, both literally and mythologically. The names Phobos and Deimos mean fear and panic in Greek, fitting for these enigmatic moons. Keep looking up, space enthusiasts. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.